If Clipchamp is showing a network type error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step, so you can get text-to-speech working again. This is a common issue, and usually it's caused by your network, browser settings, or something blocking Clipchamp from connecting properly. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to do is turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. Clipchamp can sometimes block or struggle to connect when your internet traffic is being routed through a VPN. So if you have one enabled, pause it or disconnect it completely. Then try Clipchamp again. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to switch your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try using a mobile hotspot instead, or connect to a different internet connection to see if the problem is tied to your current network. Now let's check browser extensions, because ad blockers and privacy tools can interfere with Clipchamp's text-to-speech service. Open your browser menu, click Extensions, then go to Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers, privacy extensions, or security add-ons one by one and test Clipchamp again. Sometimes just disabling one extension is enough to fix the issue instantly. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear your browser cache. This helps remove broken or outdated files that may be causing the network type error. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. In the Clear Browsing Data window, select Cached Images and Files, and also Cookies and other site data. Then click Clear Data. After that, close and restart your browser completely, then open Clipchamp again and check whether the error is gone. Another important fix is to use a supported browser. Clipchamp works best in Chrome or Edge, so if you're using something else, switch over and try again. Even if you are already using Chrome or Edge, make sure the browser is fully updated to the latest version, because older versions can cause compatibility problems. If the error is still there, try signing out of your Microsoft or Clipchamp account and then sign back in. A fresh login can sometimes reset a broken session or refresh the connection that Clipchamp needs to load text-to-speech correctly. After signing back in, go back to your project and test the feature again. At this point, if the problem is still happening, it's usually one of those network or browser conflicts we just covered, so go back through the steps carefully and test after each change. The goal is to remove anything that could be blocking Clipchamp from reaching its online services. So to recap quickly, turn off your VPN or proxy, switch networks if needed, disable ad blockers and privacy extensions, clear your cache and cookies, use Chrome or Edge, and sign out and back in. One of these fixes usually resolves the Clipchamp network type error and gets text-to-speech working again. I hope this video helped you fix the issue fast. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.